let's talk about the invisible obstructors. You've been told that you don't snore, so you assume you don't have sleep apnea, but you wake up with a morning headache and a dry mouth, feeling like you never actually turned off. The data from JAMA shows obstructive sleep apnea is a leading cause of unrefreshing sleep in women, but it's often missed because women don't always show the classic symptoms like loud snoring. Instead, they present with morning headaches, nocturnal awakenings, and cognitive slowing, brain fog.